Alright, well, I'm going to show you how to do a oil change on a 2010 Kia Forte. First thing, you want to get yourself a jack to raise the car. And one of those. And then find a safe place to put the jack. And if you're driving a manual, make sure you got the e-brake up for safety. Fast forward this and get it where it's up. So I got this right here, not safety, don't do this. Make sure you do some safety stuff. Here's the oil pan. And there's the filter. So what you want to do is get up. Grab this or whatever you're using. This is at Walmart for like 15 bucks or something like that, and it holds up to 16 quarts. Pop this right under here. It'll be better if you got gloves too. Use gloves when you do this. Boom. Into the trunk. Grab whatever toolkit you're using. Which I don't know what my toolkits are. Well, I gotta run inside real quick, so I'll be right back. So get your thing. I believe, what is this? 17? Yep, 17 millimeter. This bitch loose. There we go. Pop it loose. Boom. This bitch hot. There. And just let it drain out. That's nasty. Yep, just let it drain out. And then wait till it's done draining. And we'll get back to it. Now, get your oil, everything, bag if you need it. Don't litter. After it's done, look like that. This, and you haven't made a mess. You gotta get the oil filter off. Now, there's ways you can do this. You can go and spend money and buy an oil filter remover, whatever you want to call them, the caps that go on it, or the ratchets that go on this. Me, I never use one of those. I use this. I always use this. I use nothing but this. I stab a hole. I put it right here. I grab a hammer, hit this. It goes in there and I twist it off. I never ever used a wrench. I always use this. You can damage it. You can fuck this up. Not really, but you can if you do stupid shit. I've been doing this on every car, my brother's car for the past couple years, my parents' cars for the past couple of years. And all my cars I've been doing this. I never fuck nothing up. I don't damage studs and nothing like that. But if you're just stupid and don't know what you're doing, you fuck it up. But yes, I use this. And I'm gonna show you in a minute. I just gotta go grab my hammer. So, be right back. Alright, so there's the oil filter. Let's put this right here so it don't fall. Alright, you can see it? Yep, there it is. Boom, boom, boom. Oil filter. This out the way. Oh. Take a flat spot, hammer. Hit flat spot. Take this. It's gonna start leaking. Go like that. No, 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 no. I don't want that shit on the phone. Oh, no, 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 no. Alright, so there's the oil filter. Let's put this right here so it don't fall. Alright, you can see it? Yep, there it is. Boom, boom, boom. Oil filter. This out the way. Oh. Take a flat spot, hammer. Hit flat spot. Take this. It's gonna start leaking. So, as you can see, got the hammer. I just nailed it in there. Just smack it up in there, and then twist whatever way it comes off, and then I'll twist. Take it out. Oh, fuck. Start so you can do that, and then I should just twist stuff. Boom. Boom. That's ready. Yeah. This shit's hot. Just twist this off. Boom. Twist is right off. Okay. Done. You can do it easier. I'm over trying to record and do this, so but it's way easier if you do it without recording. But that's how I get it off. One hole and a twist. Alright, after I pick all this up, because this is not what it's supposed to look like, I'm going to show you how to install it and put it back on. Alright. When you're done, go here. Find your bolt. Put your bolt back in. Put your bolt back on. This. 17 again. Tighten it. Don't over tighten it. Just hand tighten it. Nope. Then open your filter. I'm using a Fram 9688. So if you have a 2010 Kia Forte LX, this is what it should take. Oh, one thing I did forget. Dip your hand in the oil. Wipe it around the seal. Here we go. And then screw it on so it gets a tighter seal. Boom. And then hand tighten it. Don't use the wrench or nothing like that. You literally just gotta tighten as much as you can with your hand. Alright, won't go no more. So that's hand tighten. Boom. over here. Pop the hood. This should take 4.3. Take this. Open this. And dump it away. We'll see how good I am. And use a funnel. Oh, use a funnel. I'm gonna finish filming this. I'll get back to you guys.